السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Were Makki surahs revealed in Mecca and were Madani surahs revealed in Medina? Are there any differences in subjects covered by these? Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca. The first wahy was revealed to him when he was 40 years old. He lived in Mecca for 13 years. This is known as the Makki period. He migrated to Medina. This migration is called Hijrah. This is where the Islamic calendar starts from. He lived in Medina for 10 years. This is known as the Madani period. The Holy Quran was revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him, as few verses at a time. Verses that were revealed during the Makki period, that is before Hijrah, are called Makki verses. Verses that were revealed during the Madani period, that is after Hijrah, are called Madani verses. So the names Makki and Madani are not to do with the location the verses were revealed at. It's rather the period in which these were revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him. Some verses were revealed when the Prophet, peace be upon him, was in or near Mecca, but because these revealed after Hijrah, these are called Madani verses. These verses were put together by the Prophet, peace be upon him, into chapters called surahs. Most surahs are totally Makki or totally Madani. Totally Makki surahs have all verses from the Makki period. Totally Madani surahs have all the verses from Madani period. Some surahs have verses from both periods. These are called Makki or Madani according to the majority of their verses. Makki surahs generally discuss the subjects of oneness of Allah, disapproval of idol worshipping, stories of the earlier prophets, and life after death. Madani surahs generally discuss about the detailed laws of social, economic, and political life as an Islamic state had already been established in Medina. Jazakallahu khair wa alaykum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.